أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي ربنا زدنا علما اللهم فقهنا في الدين آمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته يا أهل القرآن. I hope and pray that you are in the best state of health and iman. Alhamdulillah. Ameen. So, inshallah, today let's learn Surah Al Balad. Okay, the complete Surah, number 1 to 20, inshallah. So, let's begin. First, I'm gonna recite this, inshallah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم لا أقسم بهذا البلد وأنت حل بهذا البلد ووالد وما ولد لقد خلقنا الإنسان في كبد أيحسب أن لن يقدر عليه أحد يقول أهلكت مالا لبدا أيحسب أن لم يره أحد ألم نجعل له عينين ولسانا وشفتين وهديناه النجدين فلاقتحم العقبة وما أدراك ما العقبة فك رقبة أو إطعام في يوم ذي مسغبة يتيما ذا مقربة أو مسكينا ذا متربة ثم كان من الذين آمنوا وتواصوا بالصبر وتواصوا بالمرحمة أولئك أصحاب الميمنة والذين كفروا بآياتنا هم أصحاب المشأمة عليهم نار مؤصدة. Alhamdulillah. So let's begin to learn the tajweed rulings of these ayahs, inshallah. And number 1, لا أقسم بهذا البلد. لا mad al jaiz munfasil here. Alif mad is followed by hamza and a separate word. Stretch it for 4 haraka. لا أقسم قاف قلقلة. Don't recite this uqsimu. Don't stretch the last word, last letter of each word, okay? Like la uqsimu, that is wrong. La uqsimu bihadha al-balad. Bihadha. Zal with no buzzing sound, but the salif madhya is not read now. While continuation, while connecting, we will just cancel this. Iltiqa sakinain ruling. Bihadhal balad. Dal with the qalqala while stopping, because it will acquire temporary sukoon and we will do qalqala there. La uqsimu bihadhal balad. وأنت حل بهذا البلد. وأنت إخفاء is done. وأنت to count غنة. حل ha very sharp. Tanween followed by ba. إقلاب is done. Tanween is going to convert into meme. So we will pronounce meme, not the noon sakin which is in tanween. حل بي. حل بي. Okay, to count غنة. بهذا. Again same thing. Alif mad is cancelled due to iltiqa sakinain. Zal is directly connected to lam. Okay. بهذا. No buzzing sound here. بهذا البلد. qalqala while stopping as it acquires the temporary sukoon. Alhamdulillah. وأنت حل بهذا البلد ووالد وما ولد ووالد. This waw for 1 count, this for 2 count, 2 haraka. ووالد تنوين followed by واو do إدغام ووالد و two حركة غنة okay ووالد وما two count وما ولد again while stopping dal will acquire temporary sukoon and we will do qalqala ووالد وما ولد لقد خلقنا الإنسان في كبد لقد not لقد it is لقا لقد قلقلان دال خلقنا this a kha from throat this a qaf from your tongue okay أقص اللسان do قلقلا here خلقنا again alif mad is cancelled while connecting خلقنا الإنسان إخفافة كان غنى إنسان في كبد في to count كبد دال with sakin while stopping and قلقلة as well لقد خلقنا الإنسان في كبد أيحسب أن لن يقدر عليه أحد أيحسب حذر sharp ألن nun sakin is not read here because it is getting completely merged in lam not an but ألن again idgham here idgham without gunna and here idgham with gunna ألن يقدر يق قلقلة يقدر را heavy عليه not عليه عليه أحد ha is sharp and dal will acquire temporary sukoon while stopping and we will pronounce it with qalqala أيحسب أن لن يقدر عليه أحد يقول أهلكت مالا لبدا يقول not يقول or يقول يقول أهلكت this ha with a very blunt sound from the last part of your throat and also make sure don't do qalqala there like ahu sound should not be there okay ahlaktu okay kaf sakina with hums ahlaktu malan mim to count lan here we are not going to pronounce that noon sakin again we will do it the gham without any gunna malal okay malal lubada here there is the ruling of madal iwad what happens here is fathatan will convert into alif maddiya while stopping stretch it for 2 count يقول أهلكت مالا لبدا 2 count complete okay أيحسب أن لم يره أحد أيحسب حشر أيحسب نون sakin again why we are doing it the gham without gunna complete merging ألم no extra gunna here is shafawi ألم يره ra heavy badal sila kubura 4 harika stretching mad due to hamza right stretch it for 4 count يره أحد ha not ahad ahad stopping with dal sakina and qalqala okay أيحسب أن لم يره أحد ألم نجعل له عينين ألم no extra gunna نجعل جيم with the qalqala and the ayn should be clear don't recite najal نجعل له this lam sakin is merging in this lam idgham bain al huruf we are going to merge the both lams here don't recite that separately like naj'al lahu that is wrong merge them naj'al lahu aynayn not I it is a ayn aynayn here we are applying the ruling of mad al-lin we are doing waqf last letter is acquired temporary sukoon and there is huruf al-leen before that. So madalin can be stretched for 2 count, 4 count, 6 count. We are just keeping it 4. Alam naj'al lahu aynayn wa lisanan wa shafatayn. Wa lisanan. Seen for 2 haraka. Here there is tanween followed by waw with the ghamm with 2 count gunna. وَلِسَانًا وَشَفَتَيْن. Again while stopping mad al-leen which has a chance of starting for 2, 4 or 6. We are just keeping it 4 count. وَلِسَانًا وَشَفَتَيْن وَهَدَيْنَاهُ النَّجْدَيْن. وَهَدَيْنَاهُ. Yeah, lean here, not they. وَهَدَيْنَاهُ. Stretch this noon for 2 haraka. Connect ha to noon. وَهَدَيْنَاهُ النَّجْ. Jim with the qalqala. نَجْدَيْن. Again while stopping mad al-leen for 4 count. وَهَدَيْنَاهُ النَّجْدَيْن. فَلَاقْتَحَمَ الْعَقَبَةَ. Fala. But we are not reading alif maddiya. Whenever you see alif mad, waw mad, ya mad, or all the madul asli followed by hamzatul wasl, we will cancel that alif maddiya or all the madul asli. Okay, not fala, falaq, falaqtahama, taha, qaf with qalqala, ha very sharp. Falaqtahamal aqaba. Ain, not hamza. Qaf should be clear. Don't pronounce it like a kha. Aqabah. And the qaf should also be pronounced heavily. Okay. Aqabah. Ta, the round ta will convert to ha sakina while stopping. Falaqtahamal aqabah. وَمَا أَدْرَاكَ مَا الْعَقَبَةُ. Stretch this wama for 4 count due to mad with the mad due to hamza, right? Adal jaiz munfasil. وَمَا أَدْرَاكَ. Dal with the qalqala, ra is heavy. أَدْرَاكَ mal. Again there is ma here, right? Alif maddiya but cancel due to iltiqa sakinain while connecting mal. أَدْرَاكَ مَا الْعَقَبَةُ. عَقَبَ عَيْن qa. Very clear. Okay, again while stopping it will convert to ha sakina. وَمَا أَدْرَاكَ مَا الْعَقَبَةُ. فَكُّ رَقَبَةٍ. Fakku. Okay, with tajdeed, ra heavy, qaf heavy, raqabah. Again this ta marbuta will be ha sakina while stopping. Fakku raqabah. أو إطعام في يوم ذي مسغبة. أو, not o, أو ito, qalqala but on the heavy to, not the lighter one. Okay, إطعام, ain clear, 2 haraka. إطعام, tanween followed by fa, 2 count gunna, that is ikhfa. إطعام في yawmin. Again yaw, not yo, yawmin. Tanween followed by dal, ikhfa here, 2 count gunna. Yawmin zi, no buzzing sound. Zi masghaba. Masgha, heavily. Masghaba. The round ta will convert to the round ha, that is the ha of the aqas al halaq while stopping and acquired sakin. Okay, أو إطعام في يوم ذي مسغبة. يتيما ذا مقربة. Yatiman, we are doing ikhfa here. Yatiman dha, zal for 2 count and also no buzzing sound. Maqrabah, maq, qalqala, ra is heavy. Ta marbuta will convert to ha sakina. يتيما ذا مقربة أو مسكينا ذا متربة. أو, not o, it is أو miskinan, kaf 2 haraka, tanween followed by dal, do ikhfa again. miskina the not nan now hiding it. أو مسكينا ذا no buzzing sound to count ذا متربة do hums here متربة ra heavy stopping with ha sakina. Okay, أو مسكينا ذا متربة ثم كان من الذين آمنوا وتواصوا بالصبر وتواصوا بالمرحمة. ثم كان no whistling sound, just ثم not summa. Okay, and ميم مشدد to count غنة. ثم كان كاتو حركة كان من الذين not من الذين من الذين no buzzing sound. آمنوا to حركة for this hamza and noon. آمنوا وتواصوا to count so it should be heavier and wow lean here. وتواصوا بالصبر ba is connected to the صاد بالصا not sabri, it is a صبري صا بالصبر با with the قلقلة. وتواصوا بالصبر وتواصوا بالمرحمة same thing. وتوا wow for 2 count and صاد is heavy. بالمر ra sakin heavy. Ha very sharp. Tai marbuta will convert to ha sakina while stopping, like bil marhamah mah. Okay, ثم كان من الذين آمنوا وتواصوا بالصبر وتواصوا بالمرحمة أولئك أصحاب الميمنة. Ulaika, this wow here has no sakin on it, so if no sign then no sound, don't read it like wow maddiya. Ulaika 4 count due to mad al wajib muttasil. Ulaika ashabu as not as. If you read us then meaning will be wrong, and also ha should be sharp, not like ashabu, this is wrong. Ashabu, but don't make this hamza heavier like os, that is wrong. Ashabu, connect ba to lam. Ashabul maymana, not maymana, I kind of sound. Maymana. Ulaika ashabul maymana والذين كفروا بآياتنا هم أصحاب المشأمة. والذين, again the sizal with no buzzing sound, don't read it والذين كفروا ra heavy كفروا بآياتنا. You can see there is this stretching in ya. Okay, don't read it بآياتنا. بآياتنا, only ba and ta for 1 count, remaining letters for 2 haraka. بآياتنا hum, no extra gunna on mim sakin, idhar shafawi. Hum ashabu, sad heavy, ha sharp. Ashabul mash'amah, ta marbuta will convert to ha sakina. والذين كفروا بآياتنا هم أصحاب المشأمة عليهم نار مؤصدة. عليهم, not عليهم. Ain is here, not hamza. عليهم, no extra gunna, just izhar. عليهم نار, na to haraka, ra with dhammatan is heavier. Connect this tanween to mim, that is we are doing idgham with 2 count gunna. Narun mu'sada, hamza with a jerk, cut off sound, qata. Mu'sada, sad heavy, ta marbuta will convert to ha sakina. Alayhim narun mu'sada. Okay, alhamdulillah, we have completed learning the whole surah, the tajweed of the complete Surah Al-Balad. So if you have any doubts in the tajweed rulings of the ayahs, you can ask me. I'm gonna turn your mics on, inshallah.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam, dear sister. Yeah.
Ayahs 8, 9, and 10.
G, 8, 9, and 10. Yeah.
Yes, the ending part, it has fatha, and then it has the
Ya Sakina.
to those. Yes.
Yeah, so that is Ya,
Yes.
Ya Leen, not Ya Mad, right?
But I thought it carry
Okay.
kasra.
If there is kasra before Ya Sakin, then we will call that Ya Sakin as Ya Maddiya, right? The mad letter. But there is fatha before Ya Sakin. So what is that Ya Sakin now? Ya Leen, right? Are you understanding, Sister Shahida?
Yeah, I understand that, but
Yeah.
the it's supposed to be with the ow and
I. Aw and I.
I.
Yeah, now I is always for one haraka, right? But now as we are stopping, due to stopping, we apply the rule of mad al-lin, right? Like aynain wa shafatain najdain. Okay, is it clear?
Right, so you stretch it, right?
Yeah, we are just stretching it. Sound is I only, just we are stretching it, okay?
I.
Yeah, Alhamdulillah. Is it clear?
Yes, I understand that. I just a character.
Inshallah. Any other doubt? No doubts? Okay, let's end the meeting inshallah. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun wa salamun ala al-mursaleen walhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Jazakumullahu khairan.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.